How to recover a deleted Spotify playlist in seconds. First of all, simply open your Spotify application, and from here simply head over to your library where you'll be able to find your playlist by tapping on playlist. And let's say you just delete one by mistake, which you can do by easily tapping on it and tapping on remove from your library. And it is removed from your library. Now how do we restore it? Now to restore this playlist, unfortunately if you're using your mobile application you cannot do from that. For that you just have to use your browser. So simply open any browser that you are using or that is available on your device and try opening this Spotify. So once you're on your browser, search for Spotify and tap on the website. Now wait for the website to load, and once it loaded, simply tap on the gear or setting icon and tap on view account. And once your account page is loaded, just under account you'll find the recover playlist option. So simply tap on it. Under here you'll find all the playlists that you have deleted recently, and you can easily recover your playlist from here by simply tapping on a restore option that will be available if you have deleted any playlist. And that's it for the video guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.